Here's a video of my updated video of my 18-inch Miss Nippon. I have a few older videos online. I want to change those out with a newer one because this is a little bit better resolution, etc. This is a really nice boat. It's very hard to make. Lots of fittings. Here, I'll turn it on so you can see the lights. It's a beautiful little boat. These are extremely rare. ITO made these. Very few were made. I only know of about 3 or 4 I've ever seen, and they were really weird colors, like a mint green and yellow and white, and I mean just ugly things. A few black and white ones, which I make this, and also black and white. Red and white's the most popular color combination. I have lots of fittings on here. The air scoops I make, the windshields I make, the little round ball stanchions for the deck rails, I make those. Everything else is new old stock. Well, the dash plate I make and the steering wheels. Everything else is new old stock. These are going to New York. Runs on 4 batteries, 2 motors. This is a very nice boat. Very, very nice. And they're very good. They're getting expensive because I'm running out of fittings. So anyway, there you go. There's some pictures of it. Anyway, I'll post this video on there as an updated one so you get a better look at it. Better pictures. But she's a pretty boat. And there you go. Thanks again for all your kind comments. You can see all my boats at rccraft.com. I make a lot of my older boats still. I have all the patterns, so if there's something that you want, just let me know. Or I restore the boat, the old ITOs. If you want one of those restored, send me pictures. I'll quote you a price, and we can go from there. Thanks again. Have a nice day.